Oh my God.
Nurses.
Blood flow.
Makarelate to na. May tulang review. Ano siya ito na? Display?
Cogni mo? May makeup.
Aww.
Kiss mo. Joke lang. I love you. Love kita.
Eh, yung tawa niya.
Natatawa ako sa mukha mo, Nika.
Sa mukha mo kasi doon natatawa eh.
Again.
Hindi lang yata alak na inom na to eh.
Huwag ka na uminom.
Mahal 500. Hindi ko afford.
Alin?
500?
Sige, sabi mo.
Yung stash.
Stash?
Maliwanag.
Ano stash?
Ay.
Bakit sa baby rin? Hindi ako. Sa kaibigan.
Ay, siya.
What the heck?
Revelry.
Maliwanag.
Pero try mo na eh.
Nothing. Kami ni Joel.
Try niyo na. Ah! Siya! Last three. Ano sa reveal? I'm shocked.
Oh, why are you so shocked?
Because I thought you're innocent.
Oh!
Nag-open.
Innocent? No. Oras na po yung tama.
Bibigat lang ulo mo.
Hindi, wala kayong ano,
Kasi ako-
last three, food trip.
Weak yung tolerance ko. So.
Nahay ka?
Yes, spell tolerance.
Ayoko kay Nuto mo. Ayoko na.
Shot ka ba na shot eh?
Oo.
Sinabi ko ayoko na uminom.
Ano ba ayaw mo na?
Sabi ko ayoko na magsalita. Makinig ka.
Ay, gano'n. Yeah.
Sorry.
What is calurky? I don't know that.
You know, it's like, you're going crazy.
Oh!
Lurking, crazy. That's a rhymer, you know? So
Crazy ka, Jeff.
is that funny?
You're so funny.
Really,
I
you
didn't
too.
know
I'm just idolizing you. Kala mo ikaw lang.
How did you know that? Idolizing.
What?
How did you
Wala
know?
namang sense ang sinasabi.
I like speaking English.
How did you know what?
You know, sometimes when Enzo
What?
chat me, I said no English. Because like he was so good in English. Yeah. That's the story.
That's all.
The end.
Question and answer portion. That's all.
Ang kulit ng tawa.
Ito si Jan? Ano pinipot niyo Jan?
Ito, ang daming ano.
English lang. Ah, ito, ano?
So many bombing. Bombing?
Bombing nga eh, bombing.
Anong bombing?
Una, backflow. Ngayon ba? Blood flow.
Totoo yung backflow.
Backflow. Ay, before. Blood flow. Backflow.
Backflow yung
Blood
binabalik
flow.
mo yung ano mo. Kinain mo.
Regurgitate.
Regurgitate.
Hindi niya alam yan.
Alam mo ba yun?
Engineering. Tirahan mo ng engineering. Yung 10%, 10%.
Hindi na mabuha doon. Kailangan mo rin katabi niyo ng kalito ko eh.
Why? Why do you depend?
Depends.
Why do you depend?
Siyempre, sa board kailangan katabi niyo. Paano ka sasagot? Wala pa.